Hello friends, welcome to Asteroid YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to use Google voice typing when offline. When you're connected to an internet connection, you can use speech to text or speech recognition. But if you're gone offline it didn't work, so how to use Google speech to text when we are offline? For that, just tap on settings icon in the left side of the mic button. And tap on languages. And select a language which you want for voice typing. I choose English India. And tap save. After you are connected to the internet, tap on offline speech recognition. And install the language which you are selected in the language section, if available, or select another language and install it. After installing the language, try to use it when you are offline. Okay, now check it. YouTube. And even in offline you can also use Google Assistant for performing some small actions like open an app by name, play music, add an event to your calendar, make calls and send text to contacts, set new and cancel alarms, toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and flashlight. Adjust your phone's volume, dim the screen, and I hope there are more. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, tap on the like button or dislike. Comment your feedback, suggestions and comments. For more videos from this channel, subscribe the channel and continue watching. Goodbye.